It seems like isithembu does no longer exist kwaMseleko. People are forcing things. We might not say uthando nesithembu season 9. So anyway, guys, let's get to start of today. You know, the rest of the house is Samani Pizanvosele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks all for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. Oh, I love you. Anyway, guys, let me tell you, 3 days ago, it was Musamseleko's birthday. For those who don't know, Musamseleko was born 9 June 1974. He was turning 51 years old. Guys, he did post his pictures. Mark Khumalo, guys, one thing about Mark Khumalo for all these years, when Musamseleko is posting something, Mark Khumalo should be the first one to jump to Musamseleko's comment section and comment. This year should not even post Musamseleko saying happy birthday umyeni wami. Guys, even Sneh, if there's one thing you need to know, Sneh, Musamseleko and Sneh, they can argue kuthanda nesithembu izingane zesithembu, but if there's one thing I can say, ngosne uzomposta ubabakhe, guys, uzomposta usne ku TikTok account or ku Instagram yakhe this year, guys. Today Musamseleko posted Mayeni and say happy birthday Mayeni, guys. For those who don't know, today it is Mayeni's birthday after not posting Makwela, guys. So this year the wives, I don't understand what is going on. Guys, everyone is quiet. Musamseleko used to be celebrated by his family, but this year, guys, is totally different. I don't know what is going on. People are worried ukuthi we might not get uthando nesithembu season 9, because on season 8 you could see ukuthi people are forcing things. Abomakhumalo, abomayeni, abomangwabe. Yo, guys, kuningi, and people were saying ukuthi this season it was season semi-finale, guys. We need reunion, and people must tell us ukuthi they are coming or they are going, because everybody seems like they were so confused with season 8, especially Umayeni and Makhumalo. As for Macele, obviously she's the first wife. What did we expect? She was going to behave the way she's always behaving. And again, people are saying when they're going to welcome Umakwela, guys, because 2 weeks ago it was Makwela's birthday. Musamseleko did not even share a picture of Makwela saying happy birthday my wife. Remember Umakwela, she has a child, no Musamseleko. You can tell what's in Ganika Musamseleko. So people are saying Umakwela was acting or not. They must at least tell us, because what they are doing to Makwela is totally unfair, guys. They are not even following Umakwela. Maybe they are waiting for season 9. Maybe they are doing all of this so that we can get everything on season 9. We don't know, guys. But people are saying, the way the wives are moving, I guess it shows something else. It's also alleged that their wives are no longer staying in Muzumbe. They've moved in the suburbs. So, guys, they're going. So, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment.